Do you love outdoor entertaining? Whether it's a barbecue or a family gathering, or maybe you just need some more fresh air in your life, Best Buy has you covered. In this video, we are going to show you how to make the perfect outdoor entertainment space. Now, it's still too cold in Minnesota to be on an actual patio, so we did the next best thing. We built a set. Check it out. All right. I'm here to help you take your outdoor space to the next level, to bring it from boring to beautiful, from uninspiring to awesome, from underwhelming to the place everyone wants to be. Let's get started. So, you have an outdoor space that you'd like to upgrade. Let's think of it as a blank slate. The first thing to consider is the use. What are you going to be doing? Cooking, dining? How about comfy areas for relaxing? Do you like sitting around a fire or hosting movie nights and watching sports outdoors? What would really get you excited about the space? Now, think about the amount of space you have. How many people does it need to fit? For example, if you're planning to use it for dining and typically have 8 people, make sure you plan for that. Or if your goal is having a comfy conversation space, possibly around a fire, then make that the priority. Or maybe you have enough room to create a multi-purpose space for many activities. Then, finally think about the climate. When will you be using the space? Does the space need to shift based on the season? Today, as we talk about creating your perfect outdoor entertaining space, we're going to discuss furniture as the anchor. We'll also dabble in heating, shade, bug control, lighting, audio, video, and cooking. We'll be sharing more videos soon with deep dives into many of these areas as well. Furniture is a great place to start because it can make all the difference. Sure, it has to be comfortable, but it also has to be stylish. How a space looks has a big impact on how it feels. Let's talk through a few outdoor furniture options from Yardbird. If you like to optimize your space for comfort and relaxation, check out sectionals, sofas, and love seats with cushions. This sectional is from the Langdon collection by Yardbird, one of their most popular sectionals. It has a 90-degree corner, but it's also available with a 45-degree corner. And it's modular, just in case you prefer a different arrangement. I know what you're wondering, and yes, it is very comfortable. Perfect for relaxing around a fire table or lounging and chatting with friends. And since we're inside on a set, we can't actually show you the fabulous fire feature, but I assure you, it's amazing. The cushions are made with premium Sunbrella fabric. It's durable, stain-resistant, and super easy to clean. Add in a fire table or a coffee table along with a couple of side tables so you have room to set snacks and drinks. And if you need more room, you can use the wide squared-off arms like this. Another option, if you'd like your space to be focused on cooking and dining, then a dining set is a must-have. Think about how many people you typically eat with and make sure you have enough seating for everyone. This is the Yardbird Pepin Dining Set. It seats up to 6 people. The frame is made of commercial-grade, rust-free aluminum with a high-grade powder coating, so it will continue to look great over time. The sling fabric of the chairs resists water and stains and dries quickly, which means less maintenance for you. And who doesn't love a swivel rocking chair? And the table has an umbrella hole so you can easily add shade if you need it. Continuing on, maybe you want to gather around a larger fire pit. In that case, chairs are essential. Think about the surface. If you have a hard surface like concrete or stone, the options are endless. If on a soft surface like grass, look for wider legs or feet on the chairs so you don't sink into the ground. Again, make sure you have surfaces to set snacks and drinks on. Side tables are great for a fire pit area and easy to move around. Once you've picked the furniture, it's time to think about placement. Space things out so that it's easy to walk in and out. You don't want to feel cramped. If you have the space, section it off like a home with areas for cooking, dining, and lounging. Use things like planters and accent lighting to dress up each area. Each space should feel slightly different. Many Yardbird pieces are versatile and modular, so you can arrange them in a way that fits your needs. Couldn't be easier. Well, outdoor entertaining calls for more than just furniture. We'll be doing a deep dive into some of these topics in future videos, but let me give you a sneak peek here. And since you're outside, so are the elements. Comfort is an often overlooked yet critical consideration. Making sure you and your guests are comfortable is the name of the game and will help you enjoy the outdoors for longer. That's where heating, shade, and bug control come in. So, as you plan your outdoor space, think about what climate you're in. When will you be outdoors? Is it often too hot or too cold, too sunny? For a little shade when it's too hot and sunny, consider the easy addition of a patio umbrella and stand. These go great with dining tables or can be freestanding to move wherever you need them. And to heat things up, perhaps a patio heater or fire table fits your needs. Consider what fuel type you prefer and how much heat output you'll need for your space. And let's not forget about everyone's least favorite party guest, bugs. Another comfort and climate-related consideration. When you're enjoying your space, what pests are prone to pick on you? Consider using a bug repellent when you're out enjoying your space, and make sure you keep your space nice and clean and free of standing water to discourage pests from making it their home. Watch for our upcoming video on outdoor comfort to learn a few more tips. All right, moving on to lighting. Don't underestimate it. Lighting is so important. It's one of those things that, whether you realize it or not, is having a big impact on your experience. It can add ambiance and visual interest. It can draw people toward an area or highlight a feature. It can add safety to your space on steps and along pathways. And it can provide the light to help you enjoy your space for longer into the evening hours. So start thinking about what activities you'll be doing, what lighting do they require, will you be cooking and dining outdoors and have a need for more light, or are you planning to relax by a fire and prefer less light? There are many lighting types to consider: string lights, strip lights, path lights, spotlights, and more. And the right lighting can help set the right vibe for your gathering. In an upcoming video, we'll be talking all things lighting. All right, we've talked about the furniture to fill your space and some tools to help you enjoy the space for longer. Let's have some more fun. Let's talk audio and video. This category can really take your experience to the next level. I'm talking about taking activities that are traditionally only done indoors and bringing them outside. Start thinking about what audio and video devices you need to support the activities you like to do outdoors. For example, how about an outdoor TV for watching sports or shows? Or if you're thinking backyard movie night, consider a projector and screen. Speakers are a must, of course. Do you want them for background music that doesn't compete with conversations? Or maybe you want booming bass that can really amp up a celebration. When choosing audio equipment for your outdoor space, make sure to look for options that are weather resistant and durable. We'll be digging into this more in an upcoming video too. And finally, what better way to make cooking and dining more fun than to do it outdoors? And there are so many ways to do it. You might choose a traditional grill for burgers and hot dogs, or go for something more unique like a smoker or a portable pizza oven. Start thinking about what types of food you like to cook and how many people you will be cooking for typically. Do you have enough room to devote space to large equipment, or do you need something portable that you can put away when it's not in use? When it comes to grills, there are many different styles and fuel types to choose from. Beyond grills, there are outdoor griddles, smokers, and ovens too. Making sure your outdoor cooking area is functional and easy to use is key to enjoying it. Choose durable and easy to clean surfaces. Even better if they come with built-in storage. And you guessed it, we've got a video all about outdoor cooking coming your way soon. With all these fabulous options, it's time to start thinking about your budget too. What are your highest priorities that you can invest in now, and what can be done over time? It's okay to space it out over a few years, gifting yourself an upgrade each time the season rolls around. Or, if you're ready, go big right away. With the right furniture, comfort controls, lighting, audio, video, and more, you can create your very own outdoor oasis. Looking forward to sharing more tips with you in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and check out our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy.